Hello, Vanessa Emerson here. I'm founder of the Dental Speaker Institute, and Dental Speakers Bureau. And I just wanted to take a minute to reflect on the workshop I just attended, which is Laura Brenner's Get Your Side Gig workshop. We spent the morning exploring options and ultimately mindset that helps us be able to find greater career satisfaction, whether that is because we're looking to add more revenue streams into what we're doing, whether it's because of burnout, whether it's because we just want to find other ways to impact lives, whatever it is that drives us to consider adding a side gig or ultimately changing careers. I would tell you that I am so impressed with what Laura offers and her ability to help us dream and get past our limiting beliefs, because I felt like as we did the exercises, my first thought was, I don't think I do have any limiting beliefs. But then as I started exploring, I was really surprised to realize that we all do, right? We all have reasons that we tell ourselves why that won't work, or this won't work for me, or I just don't know what I could do. And I would tell you that at the end of 3 hours, I have come out so excited that I had to create this video. And because I want to share with my colleagues, I'm not someone who's looking for a side gig, but I'm so empowered, realizing that actually, I think I do want a side gig. We all were affected during COVID with economically, financially, right? Especially here in dentistry. I don't know that anybody was able to escape that without feeling some impact financially as the world shut down for a period of time. And one of the things that I learned, one of the important lessons I took from that is how important it is for us as professionals to have multiple streams of income. Whether that is, or whatever that is for us, not just working in the dental practice, not just being a speaker and consultant, but to have these additional multiple streams of income. So I would share with you that for me, I'm charged up about some ideas that Laura coached me at each of us during the workshop, and has really just pinpoint coaching really helped open up some possibilities for me that I am 100% going to move forward with. So I'm delighted and surprised that I have received so much more from this than I expected to. And I just can't say enough praise for what a masterful coach Dr. Laura Brenner is, and how the workshop was just so enjoyable that the 3 hours just flew. If you have the opportunity to attend Get Your Side Gig, and you can find the workshop at getyoursidegig.com. I really encourage you to. I'm sure she'll be offering it again in the future. And if you're like me and you just think, well, I think I'd like to support Laura, you're going to be surprised. You're going to come out motivated and excited with some additional opportunities, which would benefit each of us, or will benefit from having different revenue streams, different streams of income. So I highly encourage it. Laura, thank you so much for a wonderful, wonderful workshop. And until next time, I hope everyone be well and consider checking out Get Your Side Gigs.